Dexscreener is the key to spotting 1000x Memecoins before anyone else, but 98% of Degens use it wrong. Thanks to them, I turned 1 sol into 291 sol in just 1 week. And today, I'm revealing the Dexscreener secrets you need to know. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you updated on the latest crypto trends. Also, if you want to trade crypto but don't have the capital, no worries. Crypto Fund Trader is just for you, a top trading prop firm that funds you with up to $300,000. Link is in the description. And if you want to learn about crypto or snipe coins, check out the links below. Now let's get started. For several years, Memecoins have been leading the crypto world. Thanks to them, traders have the opportunity to make insane gains in a short period. But here's the catch: you can lose it just as fast as you earn it. That's why you need a clear strategy and the right filters. You should constantly analyze the market and experiment, which is exactly what I do. Over time, I've developed my own winning strategy and a set of key filters. And today, I'm sharing them with you. First, you'll need a tool to search for and analyze coins. Dexscreener is perfect for this. The website is user-friendly, intuitive, and has all the necessary features to find hidden gems. Go to Dexscreener right now and check it out for yourself. Next, identify the current market narrative. Select the blockchain you'll be working with. Lately, I've been favoring Solana. Go to the Gainers tab and focus on the coins that have been trending for the past 7 days. But keep in mind, the meta changes fast. Stay updated or risk missing out. Now it's time to start searching for profitable coins. As you've probably noticed, there are endless coins out there and not all of them are worth your time. That's where filters come in. Experiment with different filters and figure out which ones work best for you. Here are some of my top setups. Very Degen minimum market cap, $50,000. Pair age 0 to 24 hours, 1 hour transactions 30. Degen minimum market cap, $100,000. Pair age 0 to 48 hours, 1 hour transactions 110. Mid caps, liquidity $100,000, fully diluted valuation $1 million, 24-hour volume $1.5 million, 1 hour transactions 50. Larger mid caps, liquidity $200,000, market cap $2 million, 6-hour volume $120,000. Once you've found 2 or 3 potential tokens, it's time to analyze them. Pay attention to these factors. Top holders. They should own no more than 25% of the total supply. Bubble map. Check. Make sure there are no suspicious wallet connections. Smart contract audit. Use rug check to confirm it's safe. Now let's check the token's social media presence. Go to the project's Twitter and see what the devs are posting. Are they active? Are they engaging with the community? Dive into the comments section to check for bot activity. Look out for repeated spammy comments. Use GetMoney to analyze who is following and supporting the token. This can reveal a lot. If the token passes all checks, you can move on to trading. But be careful. Always double-check everything before investing. Important tip: never invest all your funds in one trade. The ideal amount is 3 to 5% of your total portfolio. Trust me, that's more than enough to make solid gains. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, drop a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more alpha on crypto trading strategies. Also, check out the links in the description for Crypto Fund Trader and other resources to level up your crypto game. See you in the next one and happy trading.